So, you're finally seeing me again. I know, it's been a while, but trust me, I don't return without a good reason. See this box? I've been waiting for it. One of my admirers sent me this beautiful gift. And you all know how much I love gifts. So, I thought, because I know many of you love to watch unboxing videos, let's do this together. Okay? I'm so looking forward to open this box. And let me tell you, these are Fernando Berlin Boots made especially for me. Okay, let's do it. I knew these Fernando Berlin Boots were coming, but holding them in my hands, that's different. That's intoxicating. You really thought I'd stay away after someone sends me something this tempting? Oh no, I don't ignore gestures like this. I respond. You've all been asking when I'd be back. Well, tell your fellow fan they are partly responsible. Their little gift pulled me right back to you. You know me. I like when people take initiative, and this fan, let's just say, they understood the assignment. So sit back, watch closely. I'm going to unbox these boots slowly because teasing is half the fun. And to the one who sent these, yes, I know you're watching. Consider this my appreciation. Alright then, let's open this. You've been patient. Good. Fernando Berlin Boots. Such a lovely box. Happiness inside. Handle with care. So we got some papers. Look at these. You really knew what you were doing, didn't you? The leather, flawless. Bold choice. I like bold. Tall. Look at them. So tall. You see this? This is devotion wrapped in leather and delivered right to my door. I expected them to be beautiful, but this is irresistible. They are tall, sleek, elegant, and just a little dangerous. My kind of boots. I expected them to be beautiful, but this, they are irresistible. And they smell amazing. They are perfect, confident, commanding, and impossible to ignore. I wonder if that was the intention. As soon as I pull these on, you're not going to look away. I promise. And to the fan who sent them, you've earned a very slow unboxing today. These boots feel powerful already. I can't wait to feel what they are like on. They fit my energy. Strong, precise, a little intimidating in all the right ways. Ooh. You chose well, very well. I'm impressed. And I don't say that often. I should warn you all. Once I put these on, it will be very fun. So, let's see how they fit. Wow. Can we say this? Perfection? Wow. They're so beautiful. And I guess that's it. Welcome back to my channel.